You want to earn money on the internet, not just $100. You want a financial freedom. Let's say 10K per month. 10K is not that huge amount. Even a simple tool can make you $10,000 per month. You don't need to build something huge and complex. You don't need to be a genius programmer. I myself reached 16K with my SaaS with only basic JavaScript knowledge. Once you reach that point, you will realize how actually easy that is. But what exactly to create? Idea picking is the hardest and the most important step. It's easy to pick a wrong idea and spend years building stuff that only your friends will buy because they want to support you. Sounds familiar, right? This is why I made this list, a list of free SaaS ideas that can help you make 10K per month or even more. These ideas are simple. You can build it solo by yourself. One day MVP, you can use no-code tools to make an MVP within a day or two, start earning cash, and only then begin to code. Those can bring you 10K MRR or more. And the most important, these ideas are easy to market. I will give you some directions to start. Let's get straight to the point and take a look at each of them. The first idea was brought to me by Pieter Levels, the most famous maker in the world. He said that I can make TikTok agency to promote startups. This sounds really cool. I like this idea. In my previous video, I told that the startup market lacks products which help other startups to grow, the marketing tools. And Pieter Levels suggests us to make a TikTok agency. TikTok is a rising trend. There are lots of influencers and the number is growing, but it's almost impossible to negotiate a deal with them and pay them to promote your startup. And you can be that middleman. Such a SaaS will connect startups with influencers in their niche. Let's say if you make a tool for dog owners, this TikTok agency will match you with influencers who record videos about dogs. The MVP is super easy. You don't need a product. You don't even need a landing page. You can do all the job by yourself, manually, with these things in your hands. All you need to do is to make a list of influencers, find TikTokers who create quality content, who care about their audience, then find products who are growing, who are interested in investing money in TikTok marketing, and match them. So basically your product is a Google Sheet page and DMs on Twitter. You can start with one niche, for example, startups, find micro-influencers, TikTokers who make content about web, technologies, AI, that kind of thing, and offer them to promote these startups in exchange for money. You just take your cut and voila, you earn money. Once you have some revenue, you can invest in a website, you can make a fully autonomous marketplace, which will be operating by itself without your manual control. But as an MVP, all you need is a laptop in your hands. I believe this idea is huge because TikTok is booming, Instagram is booming. We have more and more video content, and with AI we will have even more influencers who will create content. There is a need in a middleman which will connect these influencers with companies. I personally myself would pay for such a service to be able to pay to influencers to promote my stuff. So pick this one. Make a list of influencers in one niche, for example, startups, then go to Twitter, just open it and reach out to founders and marketers who are making a startup and offer them, hey, you want to promote your stuff in TikTok? I have a list of 10 people. Here they are. You can check their content. It's quality. Those people are decent. Check their content, make sure they're okay. If you like it, give me cash. I will negotiate the deal with each of them, and voila, your startup will be promoted within this network. Great idea, great opportunities. Take it. Thanks, Peter, for your idea. The next one, social media tracker for specific keywords. For example, imagine you're making a startup, let's say website builder, and you want to promote your stuff on Reddit or on Twitter or LinkedIn, and you want to plug in your project when it's relevant. You need to search through thousands of messages and find relevant conversations. It's almost impossible. It will take you ages. Let's make a tool that will monitor the social networks and find conversations that are highly relevant to your project. For example, as I said, you're making a website builder and you will monitor X for this keyword. Which landing page builder? ? And you will find hundreds of tweets where people are asking, which landing page builder would you recommend for that, for this? You can hop in the thread and plug in your solution. Now imagine you can monitor not just one keyword, but dozens of them. And more than that, your tool can use AI to generate a relevant reply to this conversation. For example, as a user, you tell everything about your service, how it works, the features it has, and ask it to generate a thoughtful reply. For example, you can monitor for a keyword why WordPress is so slow, and the service will automatically generate a response. For example, hey, I know WordPress is slow, I have used it many times, this is why I created my website builder name. It's much faster than WordPress because it doesn't use PHP, it uses static website pages which are lightning fast, it uses global CDN, and hundreds of people will see your reply and sign up your tool. Sounds super promising. But how to build it? I need some tech knowledge to make it. No, that's not. You can make an MVP with no-code tools. That's super interesting. I just made research today. First thing you need is this service called rss.app. Here you can create custom RSS feeds for your search query on X or on Reddit. Let's use this keyword. Which LinkedIn page would you recommend, right? And monitor it. This tool will generate an RSS with all recent tweets with this question on Twitter. Then you can take this RSS and put into Zapier. In Zapier, you can scan the RSS and find potentially relevant conversations for your customers. Then send links to the conversations to Discord or to customers Slack so they can plug in their project. Super easy to make, super huge potential, awesome opportunity. If you want to make it, let me know. Let's cooperate. There are a lot of competitors in this niche, lots of tools. Scan Reddit and X for relevant keywords or brand names, but there is no tool which uses AI to generate responses. Every time the competitors send you a link, you need to think about how you can plug in your tool. But my idea is to utilize AI to generate relevant replies to copy-paste. Yes, they will be so-so, but as GPT evolves, the replies will be better and better, and your tool will also be better and better. Again, this tool is a growth tool. It's a marketing tool. Everybody needs marketing these days. It's the biggest pain. If you make this tool, you can charge hundreds of dollars per month and people will pay it because finding customers is hard. If you can help them with that, you can earn a lot of money. 10K is just the beginning. It can make much more. So take this idea, go make it. If you like it, just close the video and go make it. The next one is text-to-video SaaS. I myself is working on such a SaaS right now, and I really like this idea. So I'm sharing it with you because I believe in its potential. I'm not afraid that you will steal my idea. I am okay with competition. We have a lot of text-to-video tools these days. OpenAI's Sora, the most notorious, Runway, but all of them are made for artists. My tool is intended for small businesses, to people who need to announce new products or new sales or new features of their project, something like that, that kind of stuff. It's not an art. My vision is that, for example, a startup owner will type text like this. We have an announcement, new feature, 5 templates, check it out. And my tool will take this text and convert it into video with the help of AI. But the start is simpler. You don't need to code anything. You can just take the niche, one simple niche, for example, startup makers or freelancers or coaches or plumbers. Take one niche and create a set of pre-designed templates for them to use on Instagram. For example, let's say we are talking about startup niche, my beloved one. You can make templates for such occasions. We are launched on Product Hunt. We have new feature, new testimonial for a client. We have reached 1,000 clients, etc. Think of 20 highly relevant templates for a startup. Now create templates in Adobe After Effects or any video editing tool. Again, no need to code, no need to use an AI. Just make 20 templates, highly relevant templates in any video editing tool and list them on your landing page. And you're done. You can start earning cash. This is your MVP. Then just open Twitter, go to Startup Founders and DM, hello, the tool which is highly relevant for startups. It can help them to grow because it generates videos and videos are watched by people more than text is read. Please use it. Here are templates. And people will buy it. I assure you, people will buy it because it will give them more exposure. And making videos is still hard. In 2024, it's still hard to make a video. You can use Canva, yes. But if you open Twitter and look at the feed, you can rarely see a video. Everybody is still using text because apparently Canva is not so convenient as everybody thinks. So this is it. Make 20 relevant templates, for example, for startups, then go to Twitter, reach out in DM to startup founders and marketers, offer them these templates, tell them that you make video for them, I don't know, unlimited videos for $20 per month. You will instantly find 10 startups this way and validate your idea. If it works, if you enjoy it, if people are giving you money, then you can make a SaaS that generates video and gradually switch from manual work to software and scale up your revenue. That's all for today. I hope you will find these ideas useful. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you want to see more videos with more SaaS ideas from me on the next week. Have a nice day and bye.